Good afternoon. As part of the Bosnian Academy of Sciences and Arts project titled Biosecurity and Biosafety, we invited high school students. I would like to welcome Nejla as one of our guests today.
Hello, my name is Nejla Bektić and I'm a senior at the First Bosnian High School. And I came today here with my fellow colleagues from our school in order to participate in two workshops, which were crime scene and biomic attack.
Yeah, Nejla, please walk us through what's going on at International Birch University today. I understand there are some workshops going on and so on. Could you please walk us through the program?
Well, basically, we were separated in two groups where one half did the crime scene and then the second one the microbe attack. And I had the privilege of seeing the microbe attack first. And it was truly lovely. It was a simulation of a laboratory experience where there was an experiment gone wrong. Somebody dropped a test tube containing a pathogen of an unknown bacteria, and we sort of had to figure out who was at fault in order to prevent a hazardous situation from forming, and as well sort of test which bacteria was at fault and how would we treat it with different antibiotics.
Mm-hmm. And how did that go?
Well, I have to say, out of probably all of the excitement of being in that laboratory and the entire situation, we did not really guess quite right who was at fault, but I think it was still a very enjoyable experience.
Is there anything that you were impressed with today in the lab? Anything in particular?
Well, probably working on the actual antibiogram, because that was something really, really special to me since I've been in love with the whole concept of STEM from a very young age. So it's kind of interesting to see it in person.
That's good to know. So in terms of your study prospects, is there anything in particular that you're considering down the line?
Well, definitely I've been in love with neurosurgery since I was like 12 years old, and that's something that I've been looking forward to my entire life, basically, and it's finally, I'm approaching that stage, but as well, probably genetics, especially in the laboratory that we've seen today and on the division in this university.
Mm-hmm. Why genetics, if I may ask?
I don't know how to explain that very well, to be honest with you. It's just something that I'm drawn to, and maybe has something to do with the fact that I even did my final research paper for my high school graduation on the topic as well. So there's always been some underlying interest in what actually makes us the way we are.
Okay, so you intend to pursue genetics as perhaps as part of your university studies?
We'll see. If neurosurgery were to not go per plan, that would definitely be plan B, which I would be more than satisfied with.
All right. Is there anything that you'd like to single out today?
Well, definitely the atmosphere, because everybody involved, from our hosts and the girls in the laboratory, which helped us, the scientists, it was truly an amazing place to be in, because I don't think it's just important about the academics part, because if you don't really enjoy where you are, you're not going to be able to learn quite well. So it really is a package.
It's a package. I love that. I love that. Well put. Is there a message that you'd like to send to fellow students, high school students, that is?
If you're like me and you really feel at home at a laboratory setting and you want the best for yourself and for your education, definitely choose this place because of the laboratory.
It's not a paid advertisement. So
I'm truly saying this out of the pure honesty because I truly was amazed with the equipment and everything.
Well, Nejla, we certainly look forward to having you back next time. And my understanding is that these workshops are going on and that a lot of high school students are invited. So certainly I'm sure you'll find something of interest for yourself in the next stage.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Nejla. It's been a pleasure talking to you, chatting to you, and I look forward to having you back at our IBU podcast.
Likewise.
Thank you.